Hi everyone, summer is here, so let's create this soft, sultry summer makeup look. As you can see, the main focus of this look is bold, sultry eyes, and I kept rest of my face very minimal. So yep, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Always start with a clean face and then use a moisturizer to hydrate and moisturize your skin. Next, I'm using this pH lip oil to hydrate and moisturize my lips because of course I don't want my lips to look chapped. And of course, never ever forget your sunscreen. Today I have this the Derma Co 1% hyaluronic long lasting sunscreen. It comes with SPF 50 PA4+ and it gives you 6 hours of sun protection. This is fragrance free, water and sweat resistant. It's quite lightweight, hydrating on the skin, doesn't leave any white cast and gives a beautiful glow. I have literally tested this sunscreen with other non-waterproof sunscreens, and here as you can clearly see, the Derma Co 1% hyaluronic long-lasting sunscreen is literally waterproof and it's not getting mixed with water. So even if you sweat a lot, this is definitely not going to melt off. This super lightweight sunscreen is infused with hyaluronic acid that gives you longer lasting hydration. It doesn't feel heavy, greasy or sticky and gives a beautiful glow to the skin. And as it provides 6 hours of sun protection, you don't have to frequently reapply your sunscreen. Every time you buy from the Derma Co's website, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have empowered 15,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. This is available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, Purple, and you can also use my coupon code on their website for extra 20% off. Next, moving on to the base makeup. Today I'm using a color correcting concealer from the brand K Beauty. This is in the shade Peach. This works as a color corrector as well as a concealer, so you don't have to use two products separately. Next, I'm using a CC serum instead of a foundation, and this has a very lightweight, glowy, dewy finish. This blends beautifully into the skin and doesn't make your makeup look heavy. To set the cream products into place, I'm using this K Beauty loose powder. It's so finely milled and it's perfect for summer because it's very lightweight. Then I'm gonna lightly fill in the gaps of my brows and set my brow hairs into place with the help of a brow gel. This will just make sure that your brow stays intact. Using this matte blush from Faces Canada to add some color to my cheeks. And then I curled my lashes and applied 2 coats of mascara. You can leave it at that, but wait, my eye makeup look is not yet complete. I'm gonna use this Nykaa Glamorize Colored Eye Pencil to create a beautiful thick line on my bottom lash line. You can see this pencil is not that smooth, so I had to tug and pull a lot. So yep, this is what I ended up with. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette from Mars, taking this beautiful matte blue shade, and I'm gonna dab it on top of that eyeliner. This will just make sure that your kajal don't smudge, budge or melt. And also, as I was not very happy with the pigmentation, so I used an eyeshadow on top. Added some mascara on my bottom lash line and finishing off the look with a beautiful summer pink lipstick. Honestly speaking, this is a lip shade I use a lot during the summer season. And yep, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!